Oh, hey, Mr. Paul.
How many times do I have to come fix your toilet this week? Change your diet or something?
How about a good morning?
Do I look like I'm having a good morning? I finally find myself a girlfriend. You ruined it. After 30 years.
Mr. Paul,
I had to cancel my date because you wouldn't stop blocking your toilet with your fat craps.
Mr. Paul!
What? I'm just pissed.
Would you listen?
Okay.
I understand I called you 2 times this week, okay? I completely understand your frustration. But what I'm trying to say is, I don't know what you're talking about. Like, I didn't call you at all.
I'm going to prison today. So you tell me I canceled my date to come here just to be told that you didn't call me?
I'm sorry.
This is for wasting my time.